Hello, I'm David Hartful from blackleaderanalysis.com, and I've created a website on ego development. So we will be discussing ego development from a values perspective. And while we're studying it from a values perspective, the audience will be able to determine what their values are. And as you determine what your values are, you will also determine where you're not living up to your values. And we're going to call the elements that keep you from living up to your values shadow elements. So as discussed earlier, we will be doing various analysis on leaders. And by leaders, we mean politicians, celebrities, and spiritual gurus. So the evaluations will culminate and determine where the leader's values are centered. The evaluation will show various dynamics in the black community also. And then the audience will be able to determine what their own value memes are from seeing which leaders resonate with them the most. And this is important because normally in the spiral dynamics community, people take a test to see where their values are and where their values lie. So someone's telling them what value meme they're in. Whereas in this site, you'll be able to determine it on your own. Now, as I've explained all this about ego development, we're going to be using it to facilitate shadow work. And so shadow work is the understanding of your own personality and what aspects you're repressing to get through the day or not feel bad about yourself. And the shadow elements lead you to make irrational decisions. So we'll be using chiefly the work of Daniel Brandon and self-esteem to understand our shadow elements. And we're going to get practical methods to work on our self-esteem and shadow that can be done alone or in a small group. And it is meant for people that do not trust psychotherapy or cannot afford psychotherapy. And in this site, we will also be talking about different racial issues from a spiral dynamics perspective. So we will be able to determine what shadow elements are in the spiral dynamics community involving race. We will be able to hopefully diversify the spiral dynamics community. And we will make it to where people from various backgrounds feel comfortable talking about issues that specifically affect them in the spiral dynamics community. So with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed my website and YouTube page. Again, the link is in the description to the WordPress site, and I hope you watch the rest of my videos.